Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little video on something I thought was pretty cool. Kind of accent the lights in your truck. These are from F150LEDs.com. They're little cup holder lights that go in your cup holder. They're pretty cool. They change colors. I keep mine on blue. I just like that color, but we got a bunch of different colors. There's a little button on the back. They are USB rechargeable. They last a long time. They actually have a sensor in them that I think is pretty cool when it's bright outside, which is why I'm doing this in the garage because it's daytime here in Las Vegas. They won't turn on, but they're also based on movement. So if you don't move, they'll shut off. But as the truck's going, they kind of add a little added accent to your truck that I think we all kind of like. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Aaron. This is Sin City Projects and Outdoors. See ya.